Erika. I wanted to tell you about the person I admire. The person I admire is my mom. My mother's name is Grace. She was born on March 31st, 1973 in Quito. She is 46 years old. She studied at the Eugenio Espejo School. After high school, she studied engineering in visual communication at the university. These are pictures and memories that I have with my mom. I admire my mother because she is a hard-working woman who fights for what she wants, and she has been working very hard over time. I admire my mother because, despite the bad moments, she has always succeeded. I admire my mom because she always supports me in my decisions. That's why I think she's the best mom in the world. And who is the person you admire, Erika?
Hi Rachel. The person I admire most is my sister Denise. She was born on 1991 in Quito. She studied at Isaac Newton School and she studied nutriology at Universidad Internacional del Ecuador. She has two sons, Juan Martín and Emil. When she graduated, she worked in Mosquera Foundation making menus for patients, and also she worked making nutritional consultations at ES. In 2018, she decided to set up her own consulting room in Kensen building with nutritional consultations. In 2019, she decided to include more things in her consulting room, so she started making nutritional plans and combined nutrition with aesthetic, and she gained more patients. Also, she appeared at Día a Día until Amazonas talking about Canela. So here are some pictures and memories about her life. So, why I admire her? Because I think she's a fighter, because she has always overcome the bad moments and she has always followed her dreams. She has been a good sister all the time and she's a good mother with her sons, Emilio and Juan Martín. She always spent time with them and she has been with me unconditionally. She has always supported me on my decisions and everything.